If you're shopping for new windows, you've probably come across two names over and over again: Andersen and ProVia. Both companies have strong reputations, both have been around for a long time, and both manufacture windows that can dramatically improve the comfort, appearance, and efficiency of your home. But when homeowners ask us which one is better, the answer isn't as easy as you might think. I'm Toby with NEPA Builders, and in this video, we're going to compare Andersen and ProVia in 5 categories that matter most to homeowners: material and durability, energy efficiency, design and customization, cost and warranty, and customer service. Our goal isn't to tell you which brand to buy, it's to help you understand the differences so that you can decide which window is the best fit for your home, your priorities, and your budget. When it comes to material and durability, Andersen has been manufacturing windows for over 120 years and offers a variety of materials depending on the product line. Their lineup includes wood, Fibrex composite, and vinyl options. Andersen's flagship products have built a reputation for premium construction, long-term durability. One of Andersen's unique materials is Fibrex, which combines reclaimed wood fibers with thermoplastic polymer to help reduce the expansion and contraction over time. ProVia takes a different approach. Their primary focus is premium vinyl windows, including the Endure and Aries product lines. These windows feature multi-chamber frame construction designed to improve strength, thermal performance, and long-term durability. Because they're vinyl, they won't rot, rust, corrode, or require painting. Their welded frame construction also creates a strong, weather-resistant assembly. One thing homeowners often overlook is how they're actually going to clean their windows. Both Andersen and ProVia offer tilt-in cleaning functionality on many of their double-hung windows. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference, especially on second-story windows. When it comes to material and durability, both brands offer premium options and outstanding low-maintenance performance. Next, let's talk about energy efficiency. When homeowners start comparing windows, energy efficiency is often at the very top of the list. But before we compare brands, there's something important to understand. The biggest factor affecting window performance isn't the window itself, it's the installation. Proper manufacturer installation methods, including flashing tape, house wrap integration, and insulation, often have a greater impact on how the window performs than the brand name on the frame. That's why it's so important to work with a qualified installer who follows manufacturer's installation requirements. Depending on the product line and glass package selected, Andersen windows typically feature Low-E glass, double pane insulated glass, argon glass fills, and U-factors ranging from approximately 2.5 to 0.30. ProVia is known for producing some of the most energy efficient windows available. Their options include double pane glass, triple pane glass, argon glass fills, and krypton glass fills on selected configurations. Typical U-factors range from 0.20 to 0.27. For ProVia Aries, they're approximately 0.22 to 0.29. A lower U-factor means that less heat transfers through the window. A U-factor of 0.25 is better, and a U-factor of 0.20 is excellent. The lower the number, the more efficiently the window helps keep heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. This is especially important here in northeastern Pennsylvania, where we experience both really hot summers and really cold winters. Based strictly on published performance metrics, ProVia generally has the advantage. But installation quality remains the single most important factor, no matter what the window and what the brand. Now let's talk about design and customization. Some homeowners care most about performance. Others care more about what the appearance looks like. This is an area where Andersen has built a really strong reputation. Andersen offers one of the largest product catalogs in the entire industry, including the 100 series, the 200 series, 400 series, A series, and the E series. Homeowners can choose from numerous interior finishes, exterior colors, specialty shapes, grille patterns, and architectural sizes. If customization is your highest priority, Andersen offers a very broad product line to support your needs. ProVia takes a more streamlined approach. Their window lineup includes the Endure, Aries, Aspect, and Ecolite series. Even with fewer product lines, homeowners still have access to several exterior and interior colors, multiple interior wood species options, decorative glass options, grid styles, and custom sizing. Many homeowners appreciate the simple buying experience because the options are easier to understand. For customization, Andersen wins when it comes to vinyl-clad wood windows. ProVia wins when it comes to wood-clad vinyl windows. Now let's talk about what homeowners really want to know. How much do these windows really cost. When comparing quotes, it's important to compare the entire project, not just the window itself. That includes the installation, insulation, flashing, interior trims, exterior trim, and warranty coverage. For this comparison, we're using an actual quote from a current window replacement project. In many cases, Andersen comes in at the highest price point, ProVia Aries falls somewhere in the middle, and ProVia Endure comes next, and Andersen 100 series is often the lowest priced option. The question isn't which window is the cheapest, the question is which window provides the most value for your money. For many homeowners, that's where ProVia becomes extremely competitive. Andersen typically commands a premium price because of its strong brand recognition. ProVia often delivers its exceptional performance at a lower overall investment. Finally, let's talk about warranty coverage and customer support, because a warranty is only as good as the person standing behind it. Andersen benefits from strong national brand recognition, extensive dealer support, and a long company history. Warranty coverage varies depending on the product line selected. ProVia is known for strong warranty coverage, excellent dealer support, and responsive customer service. Many ProVia products include lifetime warranty coverage, transferability provisions, and optional glass breakage coverage depending on the package selected. One thing that we always remind our homeowners is this: the manufacturer warranty is important, but equally important is who installed the window. If you need service 5 years from now, you want to know somebody will answer the phone and stand behind their work. It's best to work with a contractor who works directly with the manufacturer and doesn't rely on a third-party vendor to handle warranty claims. Because the better question isn't which company is the better warranty on paper. So after all of that, which brand is better? The truth is that really both Andersen and ProVia manufacture a super quality window. Choose Andersen if you want premium wood construction, customization is a top priority, and budget is less of a concern. Choose ProVia if you want exceptional energy efficiency, low maintenance ownership, strong long-term value, and premium performance without top-tier pricing. At the end of the day, the best window isn't necessarily the most expensive one. It's the one that best fits your home, your goals, and your budget. If you're considering replacing your windows and you would like help comparing your options, we'd be happy to help. At NEPA Builders, we walk homeowners through the pros and the cons of each option so they can make the best decision for their home, not just the most expensive one. If you would like a consultation, click the link below or reach out to our team. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other window comparison videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.